Hi everyone, this is Tejas Polika here, back again with a quick video, and in this video I will be showing you how to upload DSLR videos on TikTok. So watch the video till the end, and if you like my work then do subscribe TPTech. So let us just get started, but first let me roll in my intro. So whenever you try to upload DSLR videos on TikTok, a small message is displayed. TikTok does not support this video file format, try a different file format. So basically TikTok does not support file format which is directly recorded by DSLR. So what can you do is simply go to Play Store and then install Video Converter app. Link is in the description of this video to download that app. So this app will help you to convert video in different video format. So open the app and then press this option. After that, select the video you wish to convert. Then simply press here. Then don't change anything here unless you know about file formats. Then again press next. Then continue with the free version, and for the last time press next and the video will be converted. It may take few minutes to convert the video, it depends upon the size of the video. So the video you have converted can be uploaded on TikTok, as you can see now. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay happy, and see you soon in the next video. Now it's time to roll out the outro.